Assalamualaikum friends, here is 2000 plus banner PSD file and all files are protected password in my app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, follow this, and last is Telegram channel Sheri SK official. I will provide every link of video first here. Okay, so you can use anywhere, you can edit every version of Photoshop like CS or CC plus version. Okay, you can edit everything. Here is a Christmas. Okay, next is Instagram stories banner. Here is a Facebook banner with different size. I think here is a horizontal. Amazing. Here is a music banner. Replace your image, write your any text, open, and now need a image. For example, I use this one, delete this, Control S, and you see your images here. Open this one. Here is a shape color. Unlock layer and click on FX. Select Gradient overlay. You see color is changed. Here is a blue color. Find your own choice. Okay, and replace your image. Double click here. Control S. You can adjust your own image here. You see our banner is complete ready. Your email address here. No. Live performing. Okay, you can change everything. Click here. Okay, double click, delete it, select this one. Okay, and you see your banner is ready. Black Friday sale banner. Okay, and here is a Facebook ad banner. PSD. So you can edit everything, and here is a banner pack. Total folder is 30. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.